On screen, a garden scene appears with soft-colored light illuminating a plant or architectural feature from below, the kind of outdoor lighting setup that transforms an exterior space after dark. The Govee Outdoor Spotlights 2 seem designed to bring smart color lighting to outdoor environments with improved durability over the original version. At first glance, the build quality appears meaningfully upgraded from the first generation. The aluminum casing gives the unit a heavier, more solid feel, and the IP67 waterproof rating suggests genuine resistance to rain, dust, and temperature extremes ranging from -20 to 40 degrees Celsius. One thing that stands out is the RGB WIC lighting system paired with 16-bit lumen blend control, allowing access to 16 million colors with smooth transitions between states. The output reaches up to 700 lumens per spotlight, which appears notably brighter than the previous version. Moving on to smart features, Matter compatibility, Alexa, and Google Assistant support all appear present, with the Govee Home app offering 69 preset scene modes and the option to build custom effects. This seems to cover most smart home integration preferences in one product. From here, installation appears flexible. Ground stakes for garden placement or wall mounts for fixed surface installation are both included. Wired connectivity from a shared power adapter means cable routing still requires some planning. Overall, the experience feels like a significant improvement over the original spotlights, particularly in weatherproofing. Some users may find the wired power setup limiting for certain garden layouts. Depending on your outdoor lighting goals and smart home ecosystem, these appear to offer strong visual impact for the price.